Oxford Phonics World, Student Book 1 by Kai Schwirmer, Julia Chang, and Craig Wright. Published and copyrighted by Oxford University Press. Disc 2. Page 44. Unit 5. M, N, O. The letter M. A. Listen and repeat.
Hi, I'm a merry monkey. M, M. This is the M sound. This is the letter M. M, M. Merry monkey.
M, M. Merry monkey.
What's the beginning sound?
M.
What letter is this?
M.
Page 44. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1.
Monkey, monkey.
Monkey, monkey.
2.
Milk, milk.
Milk, milk.
3.
Money, money.
Money, money.
4.
Mouse, mouse.
Mouse, mouse.
Page 45. D. Listen and write. Then match. 1.
Monkey, monkey.
2.
Milk, milk.
3.
Insect, insect.
4.
Kangaroo, kangaroo.
5.
Money, money.
6.
Mouse, mouse.
Page 45. E. Listen and chant.
Mouse, mouse. Mouse, mouse. Money, money. Money, money. Milk, milk. Milk, milk. Monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey. Mouse, money, milk, monkey. Mouse, money, milk, monkey. Mouse, money, milk, monkey. Mouse, money, milk, monkey. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the mouse. I like the money. I like the milk. I like the monkey. I like